Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a quick makeup routine. Something quick for when you gotta hurry up and leave and go out the door, or when you just want a light beat but with hella makeup. So we're gonna go in with the Ordinary moisturizing cream. You could use whatever moisturizer you prefer, but I love the Ordinary products, so I like to use this to moisturize my face before I put on my makeup. So now that we got that moisturized, we're gonna go in with our MAC Studio Fix primer. And I normally just like to put my mattifying primer in my T-zone areas, like around my nose, in between my eyebrows. I literally just got this pimple last night. I need to get some new foundation because this. So first step after we moisturize and prime our faces, we're gonna go in with our foundation. Honestly, I used to wet my beauty blenders before I would apply my foundation, but as I was doing that, I noticed how it would sometimes make my foundation application blotchy. And especially when I'm like concealing my under eyes, it would definitely make it like blotchy when I would wet my beauty blender. So now I really don't, honestly. This isn't a step-by-step full coverage, you know, detailed makeup tutorial. That I don't mind doing that in another video, but I just wanted to give you guys this quick makeup tutorial that I personally am accustomed to, you know, on a daily basis. I don't like to put too much around the eyes where I'm going to apply my concealer because I don't like that cakey look. So I just like to keep it more minimum around the eyes when I'm applying my foundation, and then just leave that area for my actual concealer. So I normally like to use two concealers of different brands. So this one's obviously darker and then this one's lighter. So first I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline FITme concealer, and I am in the shade 40 Caramel. I just always loved using two concealers. We want that no makeup look, but with hella makeup. Honestly, I just like to let that sit first. So while we're letting that sit, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. Fun fact, I've never actually learned how to do my eyebrows. Obviously, I know how to like fill them in. As far as concealing it and shaping it, I literally am not very skilled in that. Maybe I need to practice that more. Because when I do my eyebrows, when I'm doing my makeup, what I'm about to do, this is literally all I do every single time. And it's like, sometimes when I'm finished with my makeup, I'm like, it's given, but something isn't all the way there, and I feel like it's always my eyebrows that just doesn't give it as much of a pop as I expect it to be once I'm finished with my makeup. But I don't like those like more so of soft eyebrows where you can still see the hair strokes, you know, and not so harsh edges and so much concealer and just like, I mean, to each his own. But I don't even know how to do that to my eyebrows, so it looks good on some girls, but I just can't do it. I definitely need to learn how to do my eyebrows like better though. Keep my little spoolie on me. Eyebrow brush. So now that we've got the first layer of concealer blended in with this one, the darker shade, now I'm gonna go in with my second one, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer. So this one's lighter than the first one I used. So while I let the second concealer sit, I'm gonna go ahead and seal my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And what this does, it just, after you do your brows, this just holds your brows in shape. Just as if you were to put gel to slick down your edges, this is basically gel for your eyebrow. I started using it and it's definitely a game changer. Now we're gonna blend this out. And this is the Fenty Beauty concealer brush. I've had it for so long. I can only blend my concealer in with my right hand. And then just to blend those harsh lines out, I like to go and use my beauty blender. Pull my small one out because this one can't really get like all in here and stuff. And I don't want to smudge it so sometimes. So now that we've gotten our concealer blended out, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Too Faced translucent setting powder. So I don't like to leave that setting for too long because I don't like that white cast that it leaves under. So I'm just gonna give that a few more minutes and then we're gonna wipe that off. And when I'm wiping my translucent powder off, I don't like to just swipe it off while I'm wiping it off. I like to pat it into my skin while I'm, you know, gently wiping it away. So like into your skin while you're also trying to get it off. We're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty, and I like to use it as a contour for my cheeks. So I like to contour my nose like this as well. We're gonna go in with the little eyeliner. Going with our Too Faced Candy Crush blush. This I just love to play in. It's just so pretty. It's so cute. Dior Maximizing Lip Gloss. And last but not least, this is the Too Faced Makeup Insurance Setting Spray. We're gonna want to shake that a little bit. Easy, simple, quick. No makeup with hella makeup. And here we have the sexy bed here. This is the no makeup but with hella makeup look in under 10 minutes. So I tried to get this video in at least 10 minutes for you guys so it could be something quick for when you know you just want to look cute but don't want that heavy makeup look, but you want hella makeup on. And you want to conceal those under eyes and those pimples and you know. Honestly, I've learned my makeup tips off of trial and error, girl. Trial and error. So hopefully you watch this video and took in some tips, some gems, and you put it to use. And I know that's right and never ever wrong. Anyways, thank you for watching.